let us discuss future continuous tense. Now structure is subject, shall be or will be plus V4 plus object. Already you discussed V4 means V1 plus inform. Okay, that is V4. So subject, shall be or will be plus V4 plus object. Already you discussed shall or I or we, shall be. Remaining pronouns you, he, she, it, they will be. You will be, she will be, it will be, they will be. Okay, that is. Now the condition is it is used for future events that are planned. See, the future events is already planned. We have to use in future continuous tense. Let us see example. I shall be staying late at the office tomorrow. I shall be staying. Shall be I is pronoun first person singular. So shall be staying late at the office tomorrow. I shall be staying late at the office tomorrow. Already known today what tomorrow will happen. Okay, so already that is known program, that is planned program. So we have to use the future. In the future what will be going. So I shall be staying late at the office tomorrow. Next example. Ram will be staying in Vizag till Monday. This is also pre-planned. Okay, so in this case you have to use future continuous tense. My friend will be opening a shop next week. Okay, so in this case you have to use future continuous tense. Now see the condition. Future ongoing action at particular time. Future ongoing action at particular time. See, an action is going on at some time in the future. That means an action is going on at some time in the future. Let us see some keywords. By this time tomorrow, by this time next week, by this time next month, by this time next year, so like that. Okay. If you find these adverbs, you have to use future continuous tense. Let us see examples. When I go home, okay, my mother will be cooking. When I go home, my mother will be cooking. And one more example. The boy will be playing by this time tomorrow. The boy will be playing by this time tomorrow. Okay. When I get home, my children will be playing. Okay. And one more thing. By this time tomorrow, I will be writing an exam. That is future event. Okay. But at that time it was an action was going on. Action is going on. Okay. By this time, the future. In this case, you have to use future continuous tense. Understand? Thank you.